Carbon fiber, a material that seems familiar to us, often seen in fishing rods, bicycles, or applications in modern industry. But did you know that it can also be used to create a weapon? Sounds unbelievable, right? Let's explore the carbon fiber bomb, also known as graphite bomb, a powerful and ruthless weapon on the battlefield. Carbon fiber bombs are not like the bombs you usually think of. They do not explode to destroy people or buildings. Instead, they carry a silent but extremely terrible power, completely paralyzing the electrical system of an entire city. For that reason, carbon fiber bombs are also known by another scary name, power killer. So, how does a carbon fiber bomb work? Inside it are specially treated fine carbon fibers, packed in many small boxes along with positioning and detonation devices. When the bomb reaches the desired altitude, the boxes are dropped and each box is equipped with a small parachute, which helps them float in the air. From these boxes, dozens of fine carbon fibers are released and fly like feathers blown by the wind. Carbon fibers are extremely good conductors of electricity. When they come into contact with high voltage wires or transformers, the electrical system will short circuit, causing an abnormal current. What are the consequences? It can be a partial or complete collapse of the electrical system, overheating and burning equipment, or even a city's entire electrical grid can be completely paralyzed. Imagine, in just a split second, a large area is plunged into darkness, communications are disrupted, and life seems to come to a standstill. Restoring the electrical system is also a huge challenge because it requires removing countless tiny carbon fibers, a time-consuming and labor-intensive task. Some people think that carbon fiber bombs and graphite bombs are the same, but in fact, they have slight differences. Despite their different names, the common goal of both is to completely shut down the electrical system. Which is more powerful? It depends on your point of view and how you use it. Let's hear what the experts have to say in the comments. What do you think about this strange weapon? Does it have a terrifying, silent, yet effective power? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more fascinating science stories like this.